Welcome to the program Getting Ready for Aptitude Improvement the M.M. Patel Way. In this session, we are going to discuss concepts related to Chapter 5, that is Sum of 900. You must study concept part very critically and thoroughly before you attempt problems in problem part. Visit www.youtube.com and search Maganlal Patel for more videos on aptitude improvement. Problem number 1. The letters A to I are arranged as shown here. These letters represent digits 1 to 9. Assign different values to each letter so that the total of numbers thus formed is 900. How many basic answers are possible? Now let us discuss logical approach first. The first step would be to find possible totals for the three, that is unit, 10 and 100 columns. The total of these three totals should be 1 plus 2 plus up to plus 9, that is 45. This test will give the feasible option. The possible combinations should be made for the feasible options. Now let us proceed to solve the problem. We will start with first column, that is unit column, C plus F plus I, which should be equal to either 10 or 20. The next column of 10th digit will be B plus E plus H. If the unit column gives us total of 10, 10th column will give us a total of either 9 or 19. And if the unit column gives us a total of 20, the 10th column will be either equal to 8 or 18. And therefore we have 4 basic possibilities. Now coming to 100 columns, A plus D plus G will be either equal to 8 in first possibility or 7 or 8 or 7. Now if we take total of all the possibilities, we get 27, 36, again 36 and 45. Now you know that A plus B plus up to plus I equals to 45. Therefore, the sum of three totals of a possibility should be 45. This is obtained only by possibility 4, that is 20 plus 18 plus 7, which gives us a total of 45. That means the total of unit column should be 20, the total of 10th column should be 18, and the total of 100 column should be 7. Therefore, C plus F plus I equals to 20, B plus E plus H equals to 18, and A plus D plus G equals to 7. Now to get the different answers, we will have to find out the combinations of getting 7, 18 and 20 using digits 1 to 9. The sum of 7 can be obtained by adding 1, 2 and 4. There is no other possibility. Using the remaining digits, we can obtain combinations totaling to 20 and 18 as follows. Now 7 is 1 plus 2 plus 4, 18 is 3 plus 6 plus 9, 3 plus 7 plus 8 and 5 plus 6 plus 7, and 20 is 3 plus 8 plus 9, 5 plus 6 plus 9 and 5 plus 7 plus 8. Now we can proceed to get different answers. The first answer will be in 100 columns 1, 2 and 4, followed by in 10th column 3, 6 and 9, and in unit column 5, 7 and 8. The second answer will be in hundredth column 1, 2 and 4, in tens column 3, 7 and 8, and in unit column 5, 6 and 9. And the third possibility will be in hundredths column 1, 2 and 4, in tens column 5, 6 and 7, and in unit column 3, 8 and 9. Hence, there are three basic solutions. You must have noted that the digits of a column can be interchanged. Problem number 2. The letters A to I are arranged as shown here. These letters represent digits 1 to 9. Assign different values to each letter so that the total of the numbers thus formed is 1000. We have already discussed the logical approach. Now let's go to the solution. And we follow the procedure which we learnt in previous problem. The following are the possibilities to get a total of 1000. There are 4 possibilities. C plus F plus I will be either 10, 10, 20 or 20. B plus E plus H will be either 9, 19, 8 or 18. And A plus D plus G will be either 9, 8, 9 or 8. And when we get totals of the 4 possibilities, we get 28, 37, 37 and 46. You know that A plus B plus up to I, that is sum of 1 through 9, equals to 45. If you see the 4 possibilities, we do not get the total of 45 in any of the possibilities. Naturally, under the given conditions, it's not possible to get a total of 1000. Problem number 3. Replace the letters A to I by different digits from 1 to 9 to get A, the smallest possible total divisible by 4, and B, the largest possible total divisible by 7. Now let us discuss the logical approach. Now we start with the logical approach of getting smallest possible sum. The first step would be to find the smallest possible sum. For this, the digits in hundred column should be smallest and the unit column should be largest. Then divisibility by 4 should be checked. If it is not divisible, we need to increase the number by multiple of 9 and keep on checking and proceeding till we get desired number. Now 2 points are to be noted. First is, the total obtained by using digits 1 to 9 will invariably be divisible by 9. And 2 is the condition of divisibility by 4. The number formed by last 2 digits of the number should be divisible by 4. For finding out largest possible sum, the procedure which we discussed above should be reversed. Now let's see the solution. The smallest total possible is 774, as shown with digits 7, 8, 9 in units column, 4, 5, 6 in tens columns, and 1, 2, 3 in hundreds column. The sum 774 is not divisible by 4. In order to get a sum divisible by 4, we need to increase the sum in multiple of 9. The sum obtained is 774, add 9 and we get 783, which is not divisible by 4. We again add 9 and we get 792, which is divisible by 4. Now we can follow the procedure mentioned in the first problem to get the values of A to I. We get 2 possible answers, which are shown. The first one, and the second one. The largest possible total is 2556 as shown with digits 1, 2 and 3 in units column, 4, 5 and 6 in tens column, and 7, 8 and 9 in hundreds column. The sum 2556 is not divisible by 7. In order to get a sum divisible by 7, we need to decrease the sum in multiple of 9. The sum obtained is 2556, which is not divisible by 7. Less 9 gives us 2547. Again, this is not divisible by 7. We reduce 9 again and we get 2538. This again is not divisible by 7. Again we reduce 9 and we get 2529. This again is not divisible by 7. We again reduce 9 and we get 2520. This number is divisible by 7. Now we can follow the procedure mentioned in first problem to get the values of a to I. One possible answer is shown here. You must study the concept part very critically and thoroughly before you attempt problems in problem part. This will make you learn faster. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos on aptitude improvement the MM Patel way.